Hello, I'm Elijah. So guys, actually today we're gonna go car basics, basic components of the car. But of course we're gonna go gasoline, gas and diesel cars. Okay, maybe later we're gonna go electric cars, right? Yeah, only basics so that you appreciate the beauty of this automotive technology. So let me go to images, then let me get the suitable illustration. This one, I think it will work. Yeah. Okay, let me make it somehow bigger. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, perfect. So basic components of the car, basic twin battery. Of course, battery manchetegeza. Then battery is powering up the engine, is supplying the engine than that electrical energy. This the start motor engine. Then engine, just of course it's the heart of the car. Yetambuze motoka. Without the engine, motoka of course this one. Then we have transmission to automatic, then manual. In case if it's automatic, then it takes a clutch. But in case if we have a clutch, that's for manual, right? Yeah. Then axles, of course, they are connected to the drivetrain. Connected to the kumipira je motoka, so that motoka is tamra. Then catalytic converter, it's very simple. Catalytic converter just converting those exhaust gases as if I'm engine, for example carbon monoxide and oxides of nitrogen. Carbon monoxide by the way are very poisonous, so by not take a catalytic converter so that I'm converting to carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also not good, but it's tolerable because plants ziba zimukozesa. Alright. Yeah, then muffler probably of course silencer. So motoka ibate ina silencer. Exhaust gases zijawogana nnyo. Yeah, for example motoka zolira nga Subaru Impreza, so zibate zina muffler. Those exhaust pipe, yeah, that's it. Then of course gas tank, girava, then shock absorber, then the brakes, of course brakes for stopping. Then kamatwale koneku just basic electric car, because electric cars are the future, by the way. Electric cars ziba tezina internal combustion engine, ziba tezina engine, just ziba zina battery, battery pack, and then nga ugenda okubalaga wano. Let me get a suitable illustration for the electric cars because it's very, very important. Now, I said switching to green energy. Those are the exhaust system because there's emissions on it. So this is an electric car. It has the electric cars. Zoila zita all those internal combustion engines gonna waste. But for electric cars, just as in a battery pack. In fact, it's all quite to take a now because so battery pack is applying to the traction motor, then of course the motor. Then it has the thermal system, cooling system, of course cooling the system of the vehicle. That's the cooling system. Then there a charging port. Yeah, it has the charging port. For example, just to take out a wall socket, then you're charging a motor. So charging it never in fact, right? Over cutting out again a petrol station. And now we're charging stations as well. So charging stations, just to get out, no parking a motor, then no plugging in. Yeah, never get discharged. So no more fuel in the car, so it saves a lot. Yeah, so in fact they are even easier to maintain. Drawbacks, yeah, the electric cars. A disadvantage, upfront cost to jiggle now is somehow expensive. Standing for example Tesla MPI is $1 million. Yeah, basically that's about we will study more in detail of these electric cars later in the other